Hey gals, so it is day 9 and we are in Brighton. We're gonna go on a walking tour in a minute, so maybe we'll get some shots from that. Okay, so we just had some cream tea, which is just like another way of saying like scones tea. Apparently at the oldest tea house in Brighton. Okay guys, we're looking for the perfect rock for me to take home. I found one that looks like a potato. Look, this is my hand for scale. It's like a potato rock. Not the one. Okay, so I like this rock, but it's too big. So I'm looking for one that's like that kind of colouring. I have some options at the moment. Smell is like beachy as some of the other beaches there are. Yeah, it doesn't smell that beachy. Quite windy. Let's do fun facts about Brighton. So, fun fact. One of the reasons why Brighton became popular is because there was a doctor who said that if you drink the seawater, then it'll cure your ailments. So if you want to come to Brighton and try that out, let me know how it goes. I'm not going to do it because I don't want like hepatitis or something. But you know, they say that if you like drink the water, it'll cure your ailments. So back to your regularly scheduled rock search. Let's go.
So I think we should move the one over that side. The one.
Okay, yeah.
I don't want this one, sorry.
Which other rocks? Anyone want to choose other rocks?
Looks too much like a rotten potato.
That's a much better side, so you can have that on the good side.
It's a no. It's a no. It's just not that exciting and the butt is a little bit ugly. Okay, so.
Think about our criteria for the rock. So I think it has to be representative of this beach and our time here. It has to not only be aesthetically pleasing, but it has to suit the nature of the area.
I think this rock is just too not similar to the other rocks. Alright, who's the deciding vote? Who's the deciding vote?
Two pluses and minuses. These are two that are in, or they to the route.
Oh, I thought we were doing admin.
Okay, so they're in.
Wait, go back to the middle. Go back to the center.
That's out.
I don't want it. I think it doesn't represent the beach here. That one has a spooky face on it. It looks like E.T. But this one's quite reading for the black one. No, it's out. We should have done it the other way so that when it was out, you could swipe this. Okay, which one? Pick the rock. So you pick this one.
Okay.
Who picks this one?
You really want E.T.
I think ET is representative of the journey we've been on today.
Okay.
Representative one, that's the one.
Alright, we got our rock.
Hooray.
Let's rock and roll. Oh, hey. So we've been walking for a little while. It's starting to get a bit dark. And we are at Brighton Marina. Hey gals, so we're on the seafront and we're gonna watch the burning of the clocks. It's the 21st of December and they do like this thing with like, I'm not really sure, there's like fireworks and like something else, but here it is. Woo!